The EMF of a galvanic cell comprising of two hydrogen electrodes is 177 millivolts. If the solution at cathode has a H plus concentration 10 power minus 3, find the H plus concentration at the other electrode. Remember one formula. By using that formula, when such type of questions are asked, we can calculate the concentration of H plus, or if they are asking the pH, that also we can calculate. The formula is E cell is equal to 0.059 into pH at anode minus pH at cathode. First of all, here concentration of the H plus at cathode is given, that is 10 power minus 3 molar. pH at cathode is equal to minus log H plus at cathode. That is minus log H plus concentration at cathode is 10 power minus 3, minus into minus plus 3 log 10. Log 10 is 1. So pH at cathode is 3. Now substitute in that formula. E cell value is given 177 millivolts, that we can consider 0.177 volts is equal to 0.059 into pH at anode minus pH at cathode is 3. 0.177 by 0.059 is equal to pH at anode minus 3. 0.177 by 0.059 is 3. pH at anode minus 3. From this, pH at anode is 6. Now pH is equal to minus log H plus. It is 6 is equal to minus log H plus. From this, H plus concentration at anode is 10 power minus 6 molar. So remember that formula. E cell is equal to 0.059 into pH at cathode anode minus pH at cathode.